Hi, I'm Tony DiStefano with Operation Chillout Homeless Veterans Outreach and Rescue. We're having right here at Tremont and Harley-Davidson a orientation night to familiarize yourselves with what Operation Chillout does. It's going to be held at 7:30 at the dealership, and we all hope that you'll come down and be part of Operation Chillout's answer to homeless veterans. We started with one backpack for one veteran, and now last year we passed out 2,000 backpacks to homeless veterans. We've been growing every year, and with your help we'll continue to do so. It's one person, one gift, and it really makes a difference in the lives of these people. These are our heroes. These are the people that deserve it the most, so let's give it to them. Again, it's Tuesday night, 7:30 at Tremont and Harley-Davidson. Hope to see you here.